guys, today we are switching these things up. We're going to switch games and we're going to go to this game now. Just for a little bit, and then we're going to go back to other games, and then we'll probably play this game. But this game's a really cool game, and everyone should try it. So my brother showed me this game, and it's like really cool and really satisfying, kind of. Oh, bro, why? Not an ad, my least favorite thing. Where? My least favorite thing, ads. Wait, what if I turn my internet off? That's just another way, guys. If you don't want ads, you turn off your internet. Go! Yeah, see, it works. Still works. And you won't get ad, I'm pretty sure. But this is like super cool. And you just have to get these little chunks off, and it's super satisfying. And so if you die like that, then you have to start again. And you can also get these upgrades here. You have to dodge these and try and get up here, or just try and get the body. I'm gonna go for the neck because that's a slim piece. Oh, it's so... I nearly got it. I got a stinger. You can barely see now because I've got his eyes. Oh, yeah! Oh, he only has a little bit of health left. How is he floating? The laws of physics is broken. Straight there. God, I'm nearly done. Oh, I thought it was an ad. Oh my god, I'm gonna do it. And I completely, nearly just missed it. Oh my god, he has a sliver of health left. A sliver of health. I'm gonna start doing stuff like this, just playing random games that I find along the way, and I'm gonna start posting it. Just to see, like, what games you guys can help, like, play. And he is dead. Yay. Get that. So this game's really cool, and then you go into the next thing and the next thing. So yeah, it's really cool. Just getting things and doing things, and yeah. So I recommend this game. It's really cool, and it's called, car demolition, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure it's called, yeah, monster demolition. So you should definitely play this game, and yeah, just try and defeat everything. So, like and subscribe. Have a great day, and bye!